Welcome to Splitsville in Disney Springs near Orlando, Florida. Today we're here for a vloggers meetup with Dani D. That's right, Dani D. You know her, you love her, and we're going to take you to see her today. Our meetup was scheduled from 1:30 to 3 p.m. and we got here a little bit early just so we could check out the seating situation.
So Uncle Dave showed us a sunburn.
Yeah, it's burnt, man. Burnt.
He was out on the boat in Miami yesterday.
Yep, it was great.
You got Captain Billy right there too? Oh, Captain Billy. Greg.
No, real costume.
Greg.
I mean, real uniform.
Right there. And of course, Captain Sherry and Dani right there from Destination Fly.
All in the house.
I've got Michelle from Cruise Life TV right here. Oh, you're not getting off that easy. You're getting a selfie right here with me.
Oh, hey.
Hey, how you doing? Hey.
Hey. Shirt. Turn around, turn around. Look at that.
About that, y'all.
I love that. Look, see, we even got the
Subscribe today.
QR code.
Yeah, because this guy.
This guy. I'm this guy. I'm this guy.
I got a smart. That's what we know.
I like that. I'm not seeing on the back. But see, my hair is a problem. And his hair is a problem.
My hair's short. Look at that.
So you pretend.
Like Journey.
Ooh, now Robin from Sea Lake Journeys came up with this great idea.
That's an amazing idea.
And there you go. This is the t-shirt making for Dani D.
The t-shirt
This, guys, this is so awesome. Look at all the signatures you got there.
There we go.
Right.
Okay. And then you want me to do, what color you want yours
Red.
to
Red or blue is fine.
I
Okay.
love this.
Red or blue, you can make a combination.
Do you want to just say Adventures?
So you got Uncle Dave helping out Michelle from Cruise Life TV. Decorate Dani D's shirt. This is so awesome. Right over here behind me. There you go. Everybody's coming in.
It's just the humidity thrown in. I was dying. Yeah, when you're getting like a natural
I've got a mocktail with guava and lemon juice. Sounds good. Let's test it out. Okay guys, we're gonna try the guava lemonade mocktail right now. Looks fruity.
This is like setting up the like the balloons and everything before our birthday.
That is wonderful. Wonderful. A great day here at Disney Springs.
Now we know Uncle Dave. I always see Uncle Dave.
I'll pop in and out there.
Ho, ho, ho! Look at all these great people over here. What's going on, everybody? Dani D! Hey, Dani! Can I come give you a hug?
Look at that.
I got to hug Dani D in real life, y'all.
Wait, turn around. He got a selfie with you. I didn't get one with you.
It is, Captain.
How y'all doing?
Everybody's like,
There's my girl right here. Lisa. My favorite.
hey,
Oh,
Chad.
hey, Lisa.
That's so funny because I started to bring that.
Did you?
I was like,
Road, so we couldn't sit.
This is Brian Wright here from PK Travel Adventures, hanging out with C. Meg Journeys at the Dani D meetup. Check me! Hey, what's up, y'all over there?
I could use more cowbell.
More cowbell coming, baby. Hey, Mel, how you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
All right, this is Mel here right here from PK Travel Adventures with C. Meg Journeys.
Temporary, color guard, drum line, FedEx.
Don't be shy, y'all. Get on in front of the camera.
Awesome. We can go now.
Don't be shy, everybody.
More vlogger stuff on the table. There's plenty to go around.
Wow. Okay, Osmo. Okay,
Yeah,
DJI,
proud of
right?
It's DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
Okay, 3, okay. Did you get that, Chet, from Sea Lake Journeys?
Seeing the stuff out in the mountains.
that is what it is. Because of
Gotta get from this angle stuff. Hey, Dani D! Let's go check out Dani's shirt. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right.
The duck fell off.
Oh no, the duck fell off.
The duck fell off.
Oh.
So the duck was right here.
Well, Cruiser the Duck may have fallen off the hat, but Dani D gets to still take the hat and the duck home.
I got 2 Michelles here now. How about that?
Michelle,
How about that, y'all? And a friend. Woohoo! Okay, Select Journey crew, I want to show you what Captain Sherry and Dani got. And I'm wondering who is going to eat all this. Look at that thing.
Just a small little snack. Just a little thing.
Just a small snack, you say?
Yeah. Before we, it's to stretch our stomachs before we go on the next princess cruise. Because I keep hearing good things.
Oh, get ready for November, brother.
That's right.
Gotcha.
When you get a chance, you get our waitress. She's doing an amazing job.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
She's great.
There's Stacy, the waitress here today. She's doing a fantastic job, y'all.
Oh, I'm Cameron's I know.
She's going to get a great, big, giant tip, y'all. Look at that crowd, y'all. Oh, my goodness. Everybody waiting to see that Journey crew. Oh, I got to get Greg in there, too. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah.
Hey, we got the real captain in the house.
Oh.
This is the real admiral.
Yeah. We're after Commodore.
He got promoted right there from Greg at Cruise Life TV. I love it. You guys are awesome. Look at this great table right here. Oh my gosh. What a fantastic crew.
Look at Jen always working.
Dani D, what's going on, girl? All right, you're going to be on YouTube. All right, Dani D got a hoodie.
It's her very own. Cruise Life
Very
TV
nice.
hoodie.
Yeah.
Very nice.
That's great. Woo! How about that?
There you go.
Okay, good. All right, we are here with the spectacular fizzle Dani, who put this all together. She made a comment about how she liked something of ours, and we thought it only appropriate for her to be the only other person outside of the channel that has one. As soon as I got mine together, I'll stop doing it.
Oh, nice.
That's part of the channel. I get in the live. I'm up to it.
I'll sit up there.
So it's got the sticker on one side, but then the laser etched on the other.
That's awesome.
And there's plenty of space if you want to put more stickers on it from your other towels. I always put stickers on mine.
That's great. We got Dani D's dad here with me today. Dani D, what is your name?
I'm Don.
Don. All right, so good to meet you, Don. Thanks for joining us here. Thanks for bringing Dani D to meet here with this group here.
She wouldn't miss it. She wouldn't miss it for anything.
Awesome.
I put, look, I'll show you right here. It says unbelievable. So I want to double check it though. No, that it is supposed to be fine. It looks like it.
It looks like it.
It looks like it.
I'll double check it. Okay, cool. Next, but the girl that was designing the here.
A big special thanks to Dani's parents, Don and Katie, for making this meetup possible. And on behalf of Adventures with Uncle Dave, Captain Billy J. Travels, Alisa's Adventures in Cruising, Destination Fun, Cruise Life TV, PK Adventure Travels, and everyone else who joined us. We are Sea Lake Journeys, and we are all grateful to have been part of this meetup for Dani D, the super fizzle spectacular supporter, awesome moderator, and just a super duper person to call a friend. Thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.